Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can add and pay bills in QuickBooks Online, so let's get started. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online account once logged in, navigate to the Bills tab. This section is your main hub for managing expenses or invoices billed to your business, and you'll see a list of all your current and past bills. After that, to add a new bill, click on the Expenses option and select Bills. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Add Bill button. This will open a window where you can enter all the details related to the bill. Then, proceed to create the bill by filling in the required information. Start by selecting the vendor's name. QuickBooks lets you choose from your existing vendor list or create a new vendor if it's someone you haven't worked with before. Next, enter details such as the bill category, the amount due, and any other relevant notes. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Schedule Payment to add the bill to your records. Finally, it's time to process the payment. Go back to the Bills tab, and on the right-hand side, click Pay Bills. Locate the bill you just entered and select it. From here, you can either mark it as paid if you've already settled the payment, or schedule an online payment directly through QuickBooks. Once you confirm, the transaction will be finalized and your records updated. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.